Hi, I have this voucher. Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the GTE, on the Volkswagen Golf GTE. Today is a very nice day here in the Netherlands, and as you have already seen, the car is pretty dirty, and when the sun goes through the paint, it looks really dirty. So it just happens that I have a voucher for a car wash. I received it, and it's for 1750 euros. Let's see what package we can get for the 17 euros. And yeah, I'm planning to take you through the automatic car wash to see how the sounds are heard inside the car, and you know, to see how efficient the car wash was. So yeah, welcome aboard, and let's wash the car, you know. Okay guys, we are almost there. Let's see if it's open, and of course let's see if we can use the voucher. So the car wash is there. Yeah, I can see some cars already getting ready to step in, so I think it's open. That's great news. And 1750, it's the best option, with coated and a lot of other things. Cool. Hi, I have this voucher. Can I use it? Cool. Let's make sure we're aligned on the track. All good. We put the car in neutral, and that's it. I think that the parking sensor will turn on, but we'll just have to turn them off. Okay, enjoy. drive and drive. Perfect, nice and shiny. Let's check it out.